Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. Guys, today I will be quickly giving you a 100% working Hostinger coupon code. Guys, if you also want to buy the any service of Hostinger even in low budget, then believe me guys, this video is going to be very special for you because in this video, I will tell you such a highly discountable coupon code of Hostinger, which will give you a huge discount, which will save you a lot of money. Guys, in today's video, we will apply coupon code on Hostinger web hosting service and see how much discount we get. And believe me, guys, this coupon code is highly discountable. Coupon code. There is no any other coupon code available in the market for Hostinger, which can provide you higher discount than this coupon code. So guys, if you want to get this coupon code, then you have to strictly follow all the steps that I am going to tell you in this video. So guys, first and very important step is you have to simply click the link which I have given in the description of the video and come to Hostinger discount page. Guys, the link which I have put into my description box. That link is special discount link. And if you won't come from that link, then the coupon code, which I am going to show you, that will not work. And if come from that link, then that coupon code will work, and you will also get 5 to 10% extra discount. So without wasting much time, let's start out today's videos. So guys, first of all, you have to click on the discount link given in the description of this video and come to this page. Guys, now you have to click here and come to the next page. Guys, I am going to tell you the coupon code in this video. It will work on all the plans. You can buy whatever plan you like as per your need. For now, I am applying the coupon code on the cloud startup plans, and let's see how much discount we get. Now, as you can see, all the plan costs are showing here. You can also see that you can save the most amount of money if you go for the 24 months or the 48 months plans, but if you prefer, you can also go with the 12 months plan. For an example, if you want to get the 48 months plan for getting the highest discount, all you have to do is just select this plan, and so now, as you can see, you have to pay. But we will reduce this amount by applying that high discount coupon code. So to apply that high discount coupon code, you have to simply click over here, have a coupon code, and here you have to enter HA10, and every letter should be in capital. Before applying the coupon code, let me tell you again that this coupon code will work only if you come to this page from the discount link which is given in the description box. After that, you have to simply click over here, apply. And guys, now the price will reduce. Guys, this is the highest discount providing coupon code for Hostinger. And there is no any other coupon code you can even try on by searching on different sources. But you will find this coupon code. It will provide to higher discount. Once you complete your payment, look out for a confirmation email from Hostinger. It'll contain all the details about your new hosting plan. And that's it. You've successfully applied a Hostinger coupon code and saved on your hosting plan. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more great tips. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.